Hi everyone, this is hopefully going to be a quick little video to talk about NC0. Now, just a quick reminder that the formula for combinations NCR is n factorial over n minus r factorial by r factorial. Now let's take an example. Let's go say 5C, five's a bit big, don't want to be here for too long. Let's go 4C4. So that would be 4 factorial over, well now I've done it, 4 minus 4 is 0 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. And this is the problem about the factorial of 0. We don't really know what factorial 0 is, do we? So we have a related problem to solve. What is 0 factorial? Let's just go across here. What is 0 factorial? Strange and weird questions. Your first guess might be to say that it's 0, but let's take a closer look. Let's begin with 5 factorial. That's 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. We understand that. Beautiful. And what does that all come to? Well, 5 by 4 is 20. 20 by 6, that's 120. That's 4 factorial. It's just 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. And we can see that's 12 by 2 is 24. But look carefully here at this gap. Now there's a bit of a clue. I could also express 4 factorial as 5 factorial, but it's not the whole thing of 5, it's just missing the number at the front. So if I were to have 5 factorial and divide through by 5, the 5 would cancel and leave me with just the 4 by the 3 by the 2 by the 1. That's interesting. 4 factorial is 5 factorial over 5. Let's keep going. 3 factorial is 3 by 2 by 1, which of course is 6, but I think we could see that that is 24, or 4 factorial divided by 4, for the same reason. The 4's missing from the previous list. It's like I took 4 factorial and cancelled out the 4. 2 factorial is 2 by 1, which is 2, and that's the same as the previous one if I cancelled out by dividing through with the 3. This is a really good pattern going on here. And of course in mathematics, if we like anything, it's a pattern. We love a pattern. 1 factorial is 1. Does the pattern still apply? Is that 2 factorial divided by 2? Yes, it would be. 2 factorial divided by the 2 cancels. Now we're ready. We're going to answer our question. What is 0 factorial? Well, I don't really know what to put here. I can't really write a list of 0 things to multiply together, and I don't really know what the answer is, but I can use this pattern. It is the previous one, 1 factorial divided by 1. But 1 factorial was 1. And if 1 divides by 1, then I can give an answer for this thing. The answer for this is 1. 0 factorial is 1. Now that's an unexpected but very important result, because when I come back over to here, I obviously do not want to have a scenario with my combinations where I'm dividing by nothing, because that's terrible. 0 factorial is 1. So 4C4, how many ways can you choose 4 things from a group of 4 objects? Well, it turns out to be 4 factorial over 4. Well, it's 1. There's only one way to choose 4 objects from a group of 4 things. You select all of them. And 0 factorial cannot be 0. If 0 factorial were 0, I would divide by nothing and this whole answer would make no sense. 0 factorial, as strange as it might sound, is actually 1. Isn't that an incredible result? Well, that's a nice, quick, I hope, somewhat convincing argument for why 0 factorial has to equal 1. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.